Hello everybody, good morning wherever you are watching me from all over the world. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and click the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you. Thank you for joining this wonderful family. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my experience of marrying a white man. This is my son, Divine. His name is Divine. Divine, say hi to everybody. Say hi to the viewers. Say hi. Say ciao ciao. Ciao ciao. Say hi to the viewers. So, like I said in this video, I'm going to be talking about my experience of marrying a white man. Number one, our culture in Africa believe that every work in the house belongs to the woman. They believe that kitchen belongs to the woman, cleaning belongs to the woman, and laundry belongs to the woman. So they don't need to assist the woman in doing anything in the house. But in the white man culture, they believe that every work in the house belongs to the both of you, belong for the both of you. They believe that every work in the house is 50-50. Permit me to use that word. So they assist you in doing one or two things in the house. You may say, no, maybe because the woman is not working. No, even if the woman is working or not, especially the one with children, they still come back from work and assist you in doing one or two things in the house. So they don't leave everything for you. Number two, our culture in Africa believe that every money that comes home, every money that comes home belongs to the man alone. So the man decides what to do with the money and how to spend it. They don't take permission from the woman before using the money. But in the white man culture, they believe that every money that comes home belongs to the both of you, belong to the both of you. So when the man wants to use the money, he takes permission from the woman. And when the woman wants to use the money, he takes permission from the man. So they believe that any money that comes home, both of you decide what to do with the money and how to spend it. That is number two. Number three, this is one thing I don't like about them. For example, when a father and a son is having misunderstanding, they are having their differences. They are not in good terms. Instead of the mother to come in and settle them, make peace between the two of them, the mother will not do anything. Likewise, if a brother and a brother is having misunderstanding, the parents will not interfere. The parents will not try to settle them. The parents will not try to bring peace between them. They just feel it's none of my business. The father will feel it's none of his business. The mother will feel it's none of her business. So they will not care if a brother and a brother are fighting. In fact, they will even encourage them more to stay away from each other. But in Africa, when a brother and a brother is having misunderstanding, the parents will come in to settle them. They will try to bring unity between the two of them. They will try to make peace, bring peace between the two of them. But in a white man culture, the parents will just be looking at them when a brother and a brother or a brother and a sister fighting, quarreling. They will not try to settle them. They will not try to bring peace between them. If this one is coming home to visit his parents, the parents will alert the other one, come, Don't come today. Oh, Giuseppe is coming to visit us. If the other one is going to come, they will still allow the other one come. Don't come today. Oh, Andrew is coming to visit us. So you see, they will even make it worse for them to stay away from each other, so that they will never come in agreement, or they will never come together in the same place to make peace, in the same place to come together in unity again. They will even make the matter worse. So thank you. This is where I'm going to end this video for today. Please, if you have any comments, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. Please, I like to know what you think about this video. Please, if you know you are married to a white man, or you are married to a white woman, and you are experiencing you experience something like this, or maybe you have experienced something different that I did not measure in this video, please don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. I will be very glad to see what you think about this video. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Bye bye.